Welcome to our Common Assessments tab tour. When I select the lock icon at the bottom left of my teacher navigation bar, I'm taken to my Common Assessments page. Here I can see all common assessments, both district distributed and teacher assigned. We have video tutorial deep dives for creating and assigning both types of common assessments. This tutorial will focus solely on navigating your teacher common assessments page. When I click on Teacher Assigned, I'm taken to the tab where I'm able to find and assign any assessments my team has shared into our Edcite Schools folders. I can also view reports, preview the exam as a student, print the exam, and view the answer key. If the test has been assigned to a class, I can see what class here, as well as how many submitted exams over how many exams have been assigned. Under District Distributed, I'm able to see the assignments that have been assigned to my students from an administrator within the system. Because they've already been assigned to my students, I won't need to do any assigning, but for assessments with required access codes, I can find the access code under the Code column. I'm also able to see the name of the assessment, the class or classes it's assigned to, and the number of submitted over assigned tests. Then, just like the Teacher Assigned Common Assessments page, I can grade, view reports, see a preview, print, and view the answer key. I can also easily print bubble sheets for students testing on paper. When this box here is checkmarked, I'm seeing a class code, meaning each class has an individual code. This is helpful when you have students testing throughout the day and you want to make sure one class period doesn't share the code with another. When this box is not checkmarked, every class will have the same class code. Thanks for joining our Common Assessments tab tutorial. You can now navigate your District Distributed and Teacher Assigned tabs on your Common Assessments page. Happy testing!